It's the Great California Shakeout Drill, sponsored by the California Earthquake Authority. And the good folks over at Earth Shakes have donated a couple survival kits, and you can enter to win a chance for one of these kits. Eden, what's in the kit?
Well, Cousin Dave, you have a chance to win one of 3 kits for 3 people for 3 days. These kits have over 157 items, including emergency food, emergency water, and even a hand crank flashlight, plus more.
You get these little packets of water, blah, 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 maybe you spill it on yourself. Hey, you got it in the car. You're gonna need it in the car, right? You need to survive 3 days, 3 people. How can you win this kit?
Enter to win one of these at coffeetv.com.